Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my August workshop this summer, I will be painting a flower which I think is beautiful and yet often underrated. Begonia. Begonia has very delicate petals in vibrant color, and the leaves a lot of times are green on the top, but yet is reddish brown on the bottom, making it a very interesting composition and subject to paint. But yet, we do not see them often in Sumi-e painting. In my workshop on August 20th, I will be painting begonia and show you how to paint them in the contour methods. So we will study the structure of the flower arrangement as well as the leaf organizations. And then we will also work on painting it in the expressive style in Ningnan strokes and depict the flower not only in the expressive brushwork, but also with the use of mineral paint and opaque white for the texture on the leaves. So I would hope to see you in our August workshop on painting this beautiful and yet often underrated flower, begonia. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.